I am so happy to welcome you back to our YouTube channel. It's been a minute. It's been busy, guys. Travel is back, and we have been racking up the sales, keeping busy, satisfying our clients, and we've been listening. And the word out there is people are ready to take the family on vacation for 2023. And so we listened, we responded, and with us here at Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, we put all the effort out into securing the best celebrations for you. And for summer 2023, we have got amazing options for you. So let us start with option number 1. Sailing from the Port of Miami, the brand new, the slick, the sexy, the awe-inspiring MSC Seascape is booked. Yes, she is booked for 7-night sailing, and we've got group space. Our prices are locked in. What are you waiting for? Oh, of course, the information. All right, here goes. Now for this sailing, we only have 10 cabins booked, guys. 10 cabins. So you need to make a run for it. This is the MSC Seascape. She sails from Miami on Sunday, July 9th. That's Sunday, July 9th. And the itinerary is going to be beautiful. We're talking about Puerto Plata in Dominican Republic. Then we move on to San Juan, Puerto Rico. We have a sea day in between both of those. And then we're doing the Bahamas. The Bahamas, only how MSC does it best. Our first stop in the Bahamas will be in Nassau. And of course, you know how we do it. We go over to Paradise Island, a few minutes at Atlantis, a little bit of Flying Fish, and back to the ship. But the premier stop will be at MSC Ocean Key Marine Reserve. That's the private island for MSC Cruises, and it is going to be fun. It's a very full day in the Marine Reserve. We get there at 9 a.m. and we stay until night. So we'll have the light shows. We'll have an occasion to go to the lighthouse. Food non-stop, music non-stop, and chill spots just for you. Families welcome. The MSC Seascape sailing Sunday, July 9th from the Port of Miami. Gets you back Sunday, July 16th. Only 10 cabins available. Book now. And did I tell you? Prices are unbelievable. Deposits start at only $198, and the little ones, their pricing unbelievable. You gotta call to know how good this is. Now it has become a signature here at Shore Fantastic to do our Emancipendence sailing, and 2023 will be no different. We are sailing on the 6th of August. Yes, 6th of August from Port Canaveral. This is an Orlando departure. We are mixing it up a little bit. July, we sail from Miami, and in August, we sail from Port Canaveral. And this is on sister ship. She led the way, and she is still beautiful. We are speaking about none other than the MSC Seaside. And for this sailing from Port Canaveral, we will depart on August 6th, Sunday, August 6th from Port Canaveral, and we will keep it busy by starting out with our first overnight experience on the MSC product. It's going to be amazing. Our overnight, ladies and gentlemen, will be at the Ocean Key Marine Reserve in the Bahamas. So we get there, we disembark, our floating hotel, the MSC Seaside, will sit there in the distance, and you just chill. You can do whatever you want to do. You can spend a few hours or all day, all night on the island. You can get back to the ship to shower and change or not. You can have breakfast, lunch, dinner on the island. It's your way, as you please. So our first overnight experience will be with the MSC Seaside, and she will be at the Ocean Key Marine Reserve. Then after all that goodness, we need a sea day. So sea day will be on Wednesday. And on Wednesday, it's time to explore the ship. It's time to see the features. It's time to have that South Beach experience with that aft pool. Oh, I remember my last time on the seaside, I just couldn't get enough. Looking forward to sailing with her again. This is our Emancipendent sailing, ladies and gentlemen. And Mexico is calling, and we're answering graciously, because on Thursday, that's the 10th of August, we are hitting Costa Maya, Mexico. It's a full day. We get in at 8 a.m. and we're there until 6 p.m. And just a hop, skip, and a jump away, we head into Cozumel, Mexico the following day. This is really going to be a treat. We hope to do the ferry over to Playa del Carmen. In my opinion, that's the happening spot. And unlike many other cruise lines, they get you there. They are there for such a short time. You have to rush and get back. Not so with the seaside. She's a proper lady. She gets you in at 7 a.m. You're there until 5 p.m. We can go over Fifth Avenue. We can shop. We can eat. We can take in the wonderful beaches of Playa del Carmen, meet some people, have great fun, and then get back to our floating hotel that will take us back into the Atlantic Ocean, giving us some well-deserved chill time as we slowly make our way back on the 13th of October. Oh no, 13th of August. Yeah, you saw what I did there? Yeah, I'm telling you that something is coming in October. But before we get there, 13th of August, we are taking you back to Port Canaveral, and the fun just continues. Yes, you did not miss a beat, and you're correct. They say when it's nice, you do it twice. And so we decided, because Port Canaveral is such an amazing space, because we have other additions to our celebration. We have Disney Springs. We have got international drive shopping and dinner shows. We have got Planet Hollywood, Universal Orlando Studios. Oh my goodness, there's just so much to do in Orlando. We had to go back. And this is for Heroes Weekend, guys. Yep, you heard me right. Heroes 2023 will be back in Orlando. And we'll be back with the MSC Seaside. Yes, sirree. We've already blocked space. Our hotel accommodation is settled. Our cruise departing on the 15th of October. Yes, the MSC Seaside. She will be waiting for us right there. This is our Heroes Sailing. So remember now, 3 the hard way. We'll be sailing in July on the Seascape from Miami. In August, we'll be sailing on the Seaside. And then to wrap it all up, we will be sailing on the Seaside once more. And this is for Heroes Weekend. We've got all our weekends covered. But just a quick rundown. Our itinerary for this will be pretty much the same. Our travel dates will be different, of course. So we sail on a Sunday, and it's the 15th of October from Port Canaveral. We'll have that famous overnight at the Ocean Key. It's a private island. It's all ours. We'll be having it just for ourselves, and entertainment, activity, and downtime done only the way MSC knows how to do it. Then, of course, on to Costa Maya and Cozumel. You know this is it. Now, bear in mind that with our Heroes sailing, as well as our Emancipendence and our July sailing, we have your package booked, covered, just waiting for you. You need to reach out for our rates, our deposits, our payment dates, our cutoff periods, and our benefits, because somebody might be sailing free. I'm just saying. So, moving right along, each of these sailings will see us flying 2 days before your departure date into destination. It includes your hotel accommodation. Prices include your flight. Your price includes the departure service from VIP attractions in Montego Bay. Montego Bay is our departure point. However, if you are more comfortable with Kingston, we may tweak the rate a bit to ensure that no man gets left behind. Figuratively, realistically, that's how we do it. And then once you are in destination, you know we take you shopping. Yep, the shopping trip is there for you to enjoy. So you shop, the food scene, the night scene. Yep, we thought about everything. Transportation to the port on sail day, that's already included. And of course, your hotel in destination. 2 nights before the cruise, 1 night after the cruise. Possibility for extension exists. Just let us know at the time of booking so that we'll get your air done just the way you like it. And of course, the additional theme parks, events, attractions, we can add those to your pleasure. So, summer, Heroes, Share Fantastic, all in one sentence. We got it covered. You know what to do. Give us a call, 876-527-4098. Call in from the US and Canada, 347-757-6728. We're on WhatsApp. We are on all your social media platforms. Look at these beautiful images. Pick your sailing. Give us your deposit. Let's talk. Let's take you to the world and back. Ciao for now.